Hi guys, today Fakihah want to read Jack and the Beanstalk. Okay, do you listen my story? Okay, let's go. Once there was a boy named Jack who lived in a cottage with his widowed mother. One day she asked him to take their cow to the market and sell it. In the evening, Jack returned and said to his mother, "I exchanged our cow for some magic beans." Hearing this, Jack's mother became very angry. She said, "What a stupid boy you are!" Then she grabbed the beans and threw them out of the window. The next morning, Jack was surprised to see that the whole beanstalk had appeared in the yard. It was so tall that it almost reached the sky. Jack was very excited and curious and began to climb up the beanstalk. He was eager to see what was at the top. The beanstalk was even taller than he had expected. He kept on climbing and climbing, and soon he disappeared into the clouds. At the top of the beanstalk, Jack found a big house. A giant woman came out of the house and saw young Jack. Guessing that Jack might be hungry after his long climb, the kind-hearted woman gave him some bread and milk. Jack accepted it happily. Suddenly, they heard some heavy footsteps. "My husband is back," the woman whispered hurriedly. She hid Jack somewhere safe. As soon as the giant entered the house, he said in a booming voice, "I can smell a woman. Find him so that I can have him for breakfast." The woman said, "There is no woman in the house." The giant believed her and sat down and ate 3 cows. Then he complained that he was still hungry. After breakfast, the giant emptied a bag of gold coins onto the table. He started counting the coins which he had stolen from other people. The giant soon grew dry and fell asleep. The giant's wife led Jack out of his hiding place. He grabbed the beanstalk again and get some more money from the giant's house. Jack successfully entered the giant's house again and stole a golden hen. But unfortunately, the giant spotted him. The giant ran quickly after Jack, shouting, "Give me back my golden hen!" Carrying the hen in his arms, Jack climbed down the beanstalk as fast as he could, with the giant following close behind. Seeing Jack and the giant coming down the beanstalk, Jack's mother picked up an axe and headed it up to Jack. Jack started chopping the beanstalk with all his might, and in no time, it was cut through and came crashing down to the ground. The giant, who was halfway down the beanstalk, fell head first from the sky. His cry could be heard all across the land. The giant had hit a big hard rock, and that was the end.